It is GG's. Yellow guys, yellow guys, yellow guys. Hello. In today's video, I'll be sharing the secret knowledge of grow a garden. And we got the worst pet. Thank you, we got the worst pet. This pet only gives us XP for other pets, so it's completely useless. It's not gonna make me rich. Anyways, we got the brand new Codigos inside of grow a garden. But listen up guys, listen up. Quick update review. If you haven't heard already, this is the summer update, where you can deposit plants into this harvest bucket and you can actually get yourself harvest points. You see these harvest points? You can actually get these harvest points, and with these harvest points you can actually get all these cool stuff, items inside of this reward box. Nobody actually tells you how much points you need for every single item, and I know exactly how much points you need for every single item inside of grow a garden. Let me actually summarize this event for you guys. The last time I checked, it was literally yesterday. You need about 4,000 points to get the new summer pack. Really, Yandel? Really? 4,000 points? I just turned in like 10 sugar apples. These ones over here, like 10 of them. With mutations, by the way, with mutations. I turned in like 10 of these sugar apples to the middle, and I got 100 points. How am I supposed to get 4,000 points for a single seed pack? Huh? And you can only get one of these seed packs every hour, and there's like a 10% chance you're even gonna drop it? This is the hardest event to unbox anything from the premium seed pack. Last week was already a tough call with the dragon pepper crafter seed packs. Now they made it even harder to actually get something inside of grow a garden. You have to play probably for the whole week and you still won't be able to get the elephant ears unless you buy them for Robux. So TLDR guys, TLDR of grow a garden. You will never get the summer seed pack if you're playing legit without Robux. This game just became Pet Simulator 99. This is literally Pet Simulator 99. We got a unobtainable event every single week, which is completely just unplayable for new players. If you're a new player, this is unplayable for you. This is actually unplayable for you. Even with the galactic alien-like shocked disco mutation, this is not enough. I didn't get a celestial and I didn't get a... what's it called? The other one. Meteoric? Like meteor... Where is the meteoric mutation? Where is the sunburn mutation? I haven't seen those weather events, even though they're actually there. If you open up your settings, you can fill in these codes in grow a garden right now. And the seed shop has been reworked. Let me tell you, these seeds are bad. It's just all bad. For example, we got one honeysuckle over here. One honeysuckle. This plant starts at 90,000 shekels. The smallest honeysuckle is a 90,000. Like, this is starting at 90,000 shekels. The sugar apple is starting at 40,000 shekels or 45,000 shekels. You're not gonna make money with that. You are not gonna make money with that. The candy blossom was the only tree that made money. It was 80,000 minimum for the candy blossom, and now we just got worse and worse plants. Even the elephant ears are 70,000 a piece. 70,000 for the smallest elephant ear? Yes, You heard me right. You actually heard me right. So, if you are a brand new Grow a Garden player, it is the worst time to make money for you. They removed all the overpowered money making methods, and now you have to do it the hard way. Now you actually have to put in the work, play for months upon months upon months until you actually make money. Kind of sad, but I guess that's how you keep the players inside of Grow a Garden, so they can't escape. Nobody can escape Grow a Garden if you make it very difficult to finish the game. I remember playing on a brand new account in the past update just to find out how hard it is, okay? I just found out how hard it is, and in about 3 hours I was already selling plants for millions of shekels. I was selling inventories upon inventories upon inventories for millions of shekels in the last update. In this current update, that is not possible anymore. That is completely scratched. The flower update was one of the best updates, and now it's all going downhill, I see. But the last code that we actually got from Mr. Yandeli was Lunar 10. I don't even know why these like code bars are over here. Look for codes on developer socials for cool rewards. Well, guess what? The developers haven't posted any codes in the past 2-3 months. We got the lunar code, and that one is expired. Well. I guess so. This game just became Pet Simulator 99. I don't even want to do the summer event anymore because it's just too hard. It is just too hard. You're not gonna get anything from it. Not actually worth it. Anyways, let's hope, let's pray, and let's hope that the next event will be something profitable for every single person. If you're joining up right now, I wouldn't play Grow a Garden. I just wouldn't play the game. If I was on a brand new account, I wouldn't play this game. It's just too hard to actually get billions and trillions of dollars. Alright, even I guess the moon melon method is still there for giant moon melons, but I do have moon melons. I never grew these moon melons giant because I'm just too lazy. And even with the moon melon method, these moon melons weren't even selling for much money. These little eggs are one of the best things that you can actually get and sell. Let me just get one. Let's alien-like. Wait, should we get the alien-like? Alright, we're gonna get the gold alien-like. So alien is a 100 times multiplier. Is this the alien-like? Doesn't look like it. So this is the alien-like? I guess so, it is. So these little flowers are actually worth it, okay? The flower pack was actually worth it. Not gonna lie, flower pack was worth it. I'm gonna sell this one flower and I'm gonna get 60 million. 60 million for a little flower from my farm. It wasn't even huge. So the flower update was pretty much the best update that you could have actually played inside of Grow a Garden. Now it's just too hard. You should wait for the next update. I'm gonna be honest, wait for the next update. This update ain't it. If you're a new player, you're gonna spend way too much time actually grinding.